Hey gang, welcome back to the Silver River Art Studio. Today I have some great tips and tricks to make following any YouTube tutorial easier, whether you're doing renos, following a recipe, or learning to knit. I've included them in a couple of my previous videos, but I thought I'd put them in their own short video to make it easier to find them when you need them. To adjust the playback speed, go down to the settings gear in the bottom right hand corner and go to playback speed. You can then make your video go slower or faster, as you prefer. You can also go up to the custom button in the top right hand corner and then use the slider to adjust the speed that way. And this next tip is just for my lefty friends out there. To see the video in reverse or mirror image, go up to the URL at the top and click on it. Click it again and that will highlight it, and you will see the full YouTube address with the HTTPS, etc. Delete YouTube, not youtube.com, just YouTube, and replace it with mirror the video. Then hit enter, and you will see your video in reverse. And that's it, everybody. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I already have 2 great tutorials up, one teaching how to knit and the other showing how to crochet, both for absolute beginners. I also have another fabulous tutorial coming soon, so hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up.